Hey Xhorse fans! Today I'll walk you through a special function of Condor XE Mini Plus 2 menu cutting. Does this ever happen to you? You need to duplicate a key, yet all the key blanks you have in hand are too thick or too wide. Consequently, you lose a client. The new Condor XE Mini Plus 2 comes with this amazing feature of modifying key blank, which allows you to cut a blank thin or narrow key blank. Enter menu cutting. You'll see two options, normal mode and line mode. In normal mode, the cutter will start to work automatically if you press Start Spindle, and you can move the cutter to thin or narrow key blank as you press X or Y or Z button on the right. So you may need to mark the key blank as needed. On the left side of the screen, you can adjust how fast the cutter moves and the step length of a single click. About line mode, we made a detailed video showcasing how to modify a number 123 key blank and make it a copy of the new Honda Civic or Integra key 3 weeks ago. You can check the video on our official channel Xhorse Global. So, line mode. It enables users to modify and shape a key blank. Line mode differs normal mode in points recording and automatic cutting. Based on the shape of the original key, you can mark the key blank first and record the points. Then the machine would cut the key automatically in accordance with the points recorded. Under this mode, you can not only thin or narrow a key blank, but also modify a key blank into different shapes. The feature is a completely revolution, for it starts the period of modifying key blank for the first time. This is always our goal, to make the latest technology accessible and easy to use for our customers. So if you have any questions or comments, please let us know. See you in our next video.